I mean, it doesn't get any better than that. This month is the month to start with doTERRA. Hey, it's Lance McGowan here, and today you're going to learn how to earn over $90 in free doTERRA products for this month. The month of May 2018, that's right. Now there's specials that happen all throughout the year, but this is a really great one, so you're going to want to take advantage of this. But before you get all excited and hit the buy button, you're going to want to hear what it's all about, right? So this special is what I took full advantage of this month and got a ton of free products and some savings on top of that. So the first special is that you can earn a free On Guard oil. So I'm going to show you these, at least the ones that I have. You can earn a free On Guard oil, a free On Guard spray, which I don't have. The struggle is real. Okay, I ran out. Don't have it for the video. Just know it's awesome. I'll have a picture right here, though. That's what it looks like. All right, so you can see that. You also get a free toothpaste. This stuff's amazing. Love it. I also put the On Guard, like a drop of an On Guard on the toothpaste when I brush my teeth. I have an electric toothbrush as well, so you know the scrubbing power's on point. All right, and then you also get a wild orange up in there. So how do you get all 4 of those items for free this month? Well, that's a great question. So for any 200-point order from May 1st through May 31st, which is roughly about a $57.50 wholesale value, then you can get those products for free. And so that includes the Home Essentials Kit if you are new to doTERRA, so if you don't already have an account, or if you already have a wholesale account as a wholesale customer or a wellness advocate, then you can pick and choose what products you want to equal 200 points, and it's roughly $1 per point. Shipping's about $4 in the US plus taxes. All right, if you live in other countries, there's going to be different specials. So this is all more so for the US, but know that if you live in other countries, there is something for you. Just hit me up and I'll give you the exact details so you can get all that. But why would you want these 4 amazing products? Well, these are the perfect non-toxic, safe, and effective natural solutions to support your immune system and keep your home clean and green. There's so much stuff out there that's no bueno, okay? I mean, just, it's not good. And I recommend for my clients they either give away their current cleaning products and stuff like that, or they phase out of them and move the natural, safe, and effective stuff in over time. And so it's a process, but it's well worth it. Your immune system will thank you, and your body will definitely benefit as well. All right, so let's talk about the second special. You can earn a free rosemary oil right here. Let me turn that around. Ooh. Okay, so you can earn this as a part of any loyalty rewards program order of 125 points or more from May 1st through May 15th. I choose typically between the 5th and the 10th of the month to place my loyalty rewards program order because I have enough time to change it, and that's going to be key. And loyalty rewards program, if you're new to doTERRA, is like a frequent flyer program or hotel rewards program where you're rewarded with free oils for taking care of your health. And so this is a really awesome value and rosemary is good, and anytime you use rosemary herbs and like cooking and stuff, or there's lots of other uses for it as well. But the benefits are that rosemary supports a healthy respiratory function, promotes healthy digestion, and is a great item and ingredient in savory food recipes. So you can get your chef on all day long with that oil. It's amazing. All right, so let's talk about the third special, and this is how you can receive 10% off the On Guard cleaner, which I have here, and it's completely empty. It's empty. There's nothing in here because I used it all. I use my products, and that's going to be the learning lesson of the day, is that all this stuff doesn't benefit anyone unless you use it. And so that's the benefit of the Loyalty Rewards program. Safe, natural, effective solutions when you swap it out for what's in your cleaning cabinet, kitchen cabinet, bathroom cabinet. And the people who do that and make wellness a lifestyle get the most out of their products and save the most money. So that's what I highly recommend for folks if you're wanting to save money and live better. So basically you can earn 10% off of this cleaner concentrate from May 1st through May 31st. And this is safe for the whole family as well. It's a green clean solution for floors, surfaces, and toilets. I love using this. And even dishes as well. And so it replaces so many things. And you can probably see the pattern right now is that these products replace what you're already doing. So they're not an additional cost, they're a replacement cost. Oh yeah. But you may be saying to yourself, Lance, I added up all those items. That's only about $70 in free stuff this month. You said $90 in your headline, also in the description, and in this video. What's up with that? Well, before you get your panties in a bunch, or your underwear, or maybe you don't wear it either. Hey now, let's... you can earn an additional $20 in free oils of your choice. That's right, you can have it your way. Not like Burger King, no. That stuff's not good. Don't eat that. But the oils, yes. That's what I'm trying to say. Whew. See, I recovered. We're good now. All right, so you can earn oils of your choice when you refer anyone that purchases any type of kit with doTERRA or places a 200-point order in oils as a new wholesale customer. And so this is an exclusive offer that I'm offering if you're new to doTERRA or already a wholesale customer or wellness advocate on my team. And so this is, again, exclusive, something that I'm offering for my peoples out there. But yeah, it's awesome, and it's a great way to improve your health and get a little extra, you know, oils on top of all that. I mean, who doesn't like free? And what's great is you can choose which ones you want once somebody places the order. Now, it doesn't mean you gotta, you know, sell doTERRA or do anything else. It just means you're just offering a referral. You hear somebody with a need, you match the solution, refer me, we have a conversation, and if it turns into a purchase of a kit or a 200-point order, they get all that free stuff with the 200-point stuff. And then you also can get some extra bonuses, $20 for each person that does that. I mean, it doesn't get any better than that. This month is the month to start with doTERRA. All right, so the next steps are pretty simple. You can just check out my Instagram post in the link description below if you're like, all right, Lance, I need more visuals. I need exactly what you're talking about. Please, okay, what's up? And also, I'd like to follow you on Instagram. There you go. Well, that link will be in the description below, or you can just email me at essentialoilsme@gmail.com or text me, and all that information will be in the description below, so you can check that out, so you can get started today if you're new to doTERRA, or if you're one of my clients already. You can just get a lot of free stuff too. I mean, hey, this is awesome. And if you're already in doTERRA on a different team, awesomeness. Hey, just sharing is caring, and love you. Thank you for watching. Stay oily, my friends. You know, I don't know what to say. It's just getting awkward right now. We're just gonna end everything on a high note. Even though that was less high than I wanted it to be, but I'm gonna get high off of life through oils. Hey, now, okay, family show? No? Okay, well. If you got some value out of today's video, make sure to hit that thumbs up button down there, or smack the subscribe button like a misbehaving child if you haven't already done so, to catch more video updates. That's right, they're gonna keep coming. Yes. Other than that, we'll see you in the next video.